Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, My Jewelry Addiction. My name is Tanya and I'm addicted to jewelry. I just did a whole video for you. I found a jar of jewelry. It was $10 and all of these little goodies were in there. These are sterling silver little hoops. We got these Liz Claiborne earrings, post earrings. There was a pair of sterling silver vermeil earrings, which are really cute. They just need to be cleaned because they're tarnished. This is in there. This is 12 karat gold filled. It's a long chain with a broken, like a gold dipped leaf, but it's missing a whole branch thing. I tested this and I'll test it again. This ring was in there. It's a class ring from 1963, missing all the enamel work and what have you. It's heavily tarnished, but I did test it and I'm doing a really deep like really good scratch on that because I want to get through. I'm using 14 karat gold acid because it'll tell me whether it's 14 karat or 10 karat gold, and right away it's telling me it's 10 karat gold because that line is no longer bright yellow. It turned brown, as you can see. And if I do this, if I tilt it slightly, that yellow is now turning brown. It should stay nice and bright. So, out of my $10 jar, I did score a nice little, it's, it is, oh, come on. 5.8 grams. So, it's, about close to $120 in scrap. For a $10 investment, that's a beautiful buy, but that's not everything that I got. So bingo. I paused it after recording and then I hit the wrong button and anyhow, whatevs. Hi everyone. Hi, welcome. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for coming. My name is Tanya, and I try to keep it real positive and spread a lot of love and positivity around here. It's just what I do. It's how I roll. That's how I roll. That's what I do. For real. Yeah, I like to send positive vibes to everyone. I pray every day, all day. Matter of fact, when I went to the couple little thrift stores that I went to today, I was praying. I pray in the car every time I get in the car. I pray for safe travels for me and everyone else around me, and not just around me, but everywhere. And yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. And then I get home and start cursing at the animals and the kids and the house. No. I do cuss. I'm not perfect. I'm no angel. But I grew up with 3 brothers and worked in the meat department for 22 years. Good Lord. There's been a lot of cursing happening up in these ears and out of this mouth. But I try to keep it clean here because my daddy's watching and a couple of other people that I respect and whatnot. And yeah, anyways, I don't even know why I went there. Sterling silver. Oh, because you might be new here. Yeah, you don't know. You don't know me. You don't know me. This is 12 karat gold filled, broken. Yeah, just went over that. This is awesome. Whatever it is, it's awesome. It was in the jar, and I'll take it. This was super cute. What is this sign to? What's it say? Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. It's Raggedy Ann, and it's a little eyeglass thing, little thingy, a thingamajiggy. These are really cool earrings. I already showed you them once, but I'll show you again. Yeah, I really needed a jewelry fix. I needed to get out of the house. These are cool. They're sterling silver and brass, like teardrops, and they are marked TC-51 Mexico 925 ACJ. They got a lot to say. And they're pretty awesome. I like them a lot. I like those. I do. There was a hummingbird and this little guy, look at him, with the big old mustachio. He's a California gold rush, gold hunter. This was sterling silver. This one was sterling silver. And this little one was sterling silver. 3 little charms. A bee for Becky. Buddha. Bubba. Billy. Bobby. Babaloo. You name it. It could be whatever you want it to be. Billy Bob. Those are amazing. I thought those were very pretty. Clip-on earrings, not signed. Another pair of beautiful clip-on earrings, not signed. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is Kramer of New York. Well, it just says Kramer. Maybe it's not of New York. Maybe it's just Kramer. Little bit of verdigris right here, but I'm not mad at it. I'll get that taken care of. But these are little dangles in the center there. Dangle. Dinga, dinga, dangle, dangle, dingle. Oh, what's going on in the back there? Look at a little bit of puddling here and there with all that. Ba-bam. Oh, but wait. Those get better. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. Ba-bam bam. Beautiful. Possibly Juliana. Yeah, maybe. I know you experts out there know. Y'all know what's up. You guys know what's up. So yeah, that was in my jar. Those brooches and that bit that I just showed you, those were not in the jar. Yeah, that stuff there, not in the jar. This stuff here, in the jar. And I went to another thrift store and I saw this and I said, yeah, I'm gonna take that too. Bam. Beautiful. Look at this. So this like pops open. And this fabric is like really, it needs to be shoved down in there a little bit better. It's all crinkled up. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's pristine. I love it. Needs to be cleaned, but I'm not going to do that. I'll let one of you ladies do that. This is amazing. This is either silver or it's a German silver, which is not silver. So I don't know. I must determine but it is fantastic. Love, love, love the details here. And the little chain. But look at that. Gorgeous. And again, you just pop that and it opens the purse. Let's get that out of there. Amazing. Look at that detail work. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Yeah, that's what I got. I did get all my packaging done and my labeling. Everything's in the car right now, waiting for the post office to reopen at 1:30, and I'm going to get everything shipped out to you all. I thank you all for watching and coming over and checking out my channel. If you haven't yet, yeah, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite item was from my finds today. And you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace out. Bye. Hugs. Hugs.